Good morning po. Good morning po, ma'am. Pwede ko po
Blackies.
Pwede ko po makausap po yun.
Loud. Ang kinis.
Ma'am, babasa ano po? Ma'am, sasabihin ko na po sa inyo yung result ng test nyo. Ma'am, ano po bang gusto nyo? Tsaka may gagawin po tayong procedure. Ano pong gusto nyo? Andyan po yung relative nyo o pwede na po mapaalis? Pwede po. Marinig niyo po o andyan lang. Ma'am,
Naglising-lising na lang ba siya?
kailangan ko lang po makausapin yung patient. Tapos, pwede po bang lumabas?
Taray.
So, ma'am, ang lumabas po pala sa result ng examination po sa inyo, meron po kayong cancer po.
Clients by
Since ano po, nasa right age naman po kayo at saka gusto nyo po sarili po yung information, kaya po tinanong po kayo kung gusto nyo po marinig o ay mapalabas po o andito na lang po yung relative. Tapos, so ma'am, gagawin na po natin first.
Chemotherapy.
In that situation,
Tanong mo sila kung ano yun.
ayun, ano yun situation? Naiintindihan.
Confidentiality.
Confidentiality and privacy of the patient. So, hindi naman ibig sabihin kasi ng privacy of the patient or confidentiality na kailangan patient lang yung makakapag-interact nyo. May times na kailangan there are times that the patient needs their relatives to be comfortable and for their understanding, it's their privacy or their confidentiality because they feel comfortable or they feel secure when their relatives is around. But in that case, the patient doesn't want her relatives to be around so that the information was just between the physician and the patient.